Is this a winning product?
Welcome to Winning Products, where we show you winning products with their product names, stores similar online, suppliers, inventory, and among others, like daily orders, fastest shipping times, trend analysis, pricing structure, and marketing strategy.
Today I want to look at this unique product called Customized Test Photo 3D Night Lights, USB wooden base, DIY LED lights, personalized for wedding holiday, Mother's Day, Father's gift. Currently, this winning product on AliExpress has 5.0 star reviews. As you can see, it has 5.0 star reviews, and it currently has 19 orders. If you're a dropshipper and you decide to sell this winning product on your Shopify store or Woocommerce store, the cost price for the product is between $24.10 US to $27.88 US. And the winning product has a free shipping to the United States via AliExpress standard shipping. And the estimated delivery, as at the time of recording this video, is on March 14, 2022. So if you decide to sell this winning product, you can jump on this. Now, why is this? Why do we say this is a winning product? This is a customized product that can be sold all year round, all season, because it's a gift product. Can be sold on Valentine's Day that just passed previously as at 2022. Can be sold on Mother's Day. Can be sold on Father's Day. Can be sold on birthdays. That is, if the dropshipper wants to sell this targeting birthdays, target lovers. That's why it's a winning product. It is evergreen product. Let's check the trend. That is the sales trend for this particular supplier. As you can see, as at October 2021, the sales went upwards. Still upwards as at November 2021, went downwards as at December 2021, then started to move upwards because of dropshippers are targeting Valentine's period that just passed. Then the sales trend went downwards and it's going to still go upward because of dropshippers that will be running Facebook ads to target lovers, birthdays, and possibly other ad platforms to target Mother's Day, Father's Day, Thanksgiving, among others. Okay. Looking at this, we are going to check we're going to specify the marketing strategy we're going to use to advertise this product, and possibly the proposed cost price, profit margin, and shipping rate. Since it's free already, and the proposed selling price we're going to use to sell this to prospective customers. The marketing strategy for the customized test photo 3D night light. Based on my research, the best marketing strategy to use is US or UK Twitter influencers. I'm going to explain practically. This is Twitter page. In order for us to understand the marketing strategy to use, what works better on Twitter is relationship goals, lovers goals, among others. So, for us to do effective marketing for the customers and test photo 3D night lights, we have to get some Twitter influencers. We're going to search using keywords on Twitter. So let's search. I'm going to type in this text on Twitter. I'm going to type in relationship goals. Relationship goals. As you can see, we see a lot of Twitter users. We are targeting Twitter influencers, not just ordinary Twitter users. Now, if you scroll down, you'll see some Twitter users. Let's click on this and see if it's what we are looking for. Now, as a rule of thumb, we are looking for Twitter influencers with a minimum of 3,000 followers, uh, who has consistent 500 retweets and tweet at least a day, and has at least 10,000 likes on that page, and also has three viral retweets. Yes, three viral retweets for the past 6 months, and I think that's it. And that's a viral retweet of 3,500 retweets. Okay, now let's check this if it's what we are looking for. We're going to click on this. This particular Twitter influencer has let's check if it meets our criteria. Now, if you are looking out for Twitter influencer, that is you need to look out for. That is you need to look out for when picking a Twitter influencer. One, Twitter influencer must have at least 3,000 followers. This has more than 3,000 followers. Secondly, Twitter influencer must tweet at least a day. That's each day. Such influencer tweet at least once a day. Secondly, the Twitter influencer must have consistent 500 retweets. Thirdly, the Twitter influencer must have at least 10,000 likes and must have 3 viral retweets in the past 6 months. Also, Twitter influencers must have a viral 3,500 retweets. Now let's check. Scrolling down. This is a pinned tweet. You can see it's November 28th, 2016, 2022. So let's check if there's any consistent 500 retweets on this page as at 2022. Scrolling down, this is below. This retweet, and this the likes. We're talking this reply rather. This retweet, this reply. This is the likes. Doesn't have close to 500 to 10,000 likes. Let's go down. You can see it's not giving us what we are looking for. So that is the thing. So if you're going to, let's go back and see if we can see, let's check on that page rather to see if we can get a particular influencer. So this is what you have to do. You have to keep checking different pages and looking out for a minimum of 3,000, a Twitter influencer, a minimum of 3,000 followers. Yes, and has a consistent 500 retweets as at 2022. Also has tweet at least once a day. Has the past 6 viral retweets for the past has viral retweets for the past 6 months. And also has 3,500 with viral retweets rather. Okay, now that is for Twitter influencer. Now let's check if we are using another marketing platform, that is Google Ads. Let's assume you want to do more marketing, that is you want to choose another marketing platform. So I may ask, what other marketing platform can we use to advertise such products? We can use YouTube influencer. We can also use run Google search ads. The cost price for the customized test photo night light will be $27.88 based on the price of AliExpress. At AliExpress, there is no current shipping cost, that is $0. You can decide to make a gross profit of $2.11 if you decide to sell at a selling price of $9.99, but the gross profit margin may increase if the selling price is $9.99. Thank you.
If you find this video helpful, please like. Remember to subscribe and turn on the notification button to all so that you can get updated each time we publish a new video. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something in this video to decide which product to sell now.